I gotta get ready for the next sketch. Point the Italian way you want, this way. Okay, gotta go that way.
Clear. Let's go, gentlemen. Thank you.
Ready?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Anybody home?
I'll be here now in a second. Okay. I'm glad he's here. We need some bourbon, you know?
But you know what's better than bourbon?
What?
What's in that cash register?
Yeah, we haven't got a gun.
I know we haven't got a gun. I'll tell you what, come here. I'll use this 2x4. Here. You wait outside.
Okay.
Keep the motor running.
I'll keep it running.
Come on, get outside.
Yes, sir. Can I help you?
Yeah! You can cooperate by giving me what you got in that cash register. You won't get hurt. Come on, make it fast.
Okay, Pally.
Come on.
Okay. Hey. Easy. Yes. There you are.
Only $20? Why, you dirty crook. You rotten bum.
Hold it. What happened? Let's go back and pick up the cash register.
What happened?
From the cash register, John.
Yeah, hit him in the head.
All right, you want to hit you in the head?
Yeah, I want to
I'll
knock
hit
the
you in the
bonds
head.
over.
Right. Okay. Let's pick it up from the cash register. Mick, close up. Pick up a Dane right over here where he hits the cash register
Okay.
up three. Make
Beautiful.
it wider on one.
Hit him in the head.
Okay, Charlie.
Don't back away now.
No, hit him in the head.
Here we go.
Won't be the first time.
Cooperate, you won't get hurt. Okay, pal.
Just cooperate, you won't get hurt.
Okay, Pally. Hey, yeah. There you are. It's okay.
What, just $20?
That's all I got.
Why, you dirty crook.
Judy.
What do you want? What do you want?
There's a wallet in my pocket. Take the wallet.
What do you want me to do?
Open it up.
Oh, open it.
Yeah,
There's nothing in it.
in the small pocket.
Oh, in a small pocket.
Yeah.
Small pocket.
Oh.
It's $100 bill.
Yeah.
Well, what do you want me to take the 100 for?
Buy yourself a gun before you kill somebody with that 2x4.
Hey, pal, come here.
All right, going on.
Yeah.